my gear here, kind of set up, keeping it really simple since I'm just making a short fishing stop, which I do along these travels. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get a nice rainbow, get a nice brown trout. That happened last time, and we'll see if I learned anything since my last trip here about catching trout in rivers. It's a nice spot. I like this right in here, right over there. I might drift one right here. In that corner. Right there. Oh yeah, hey, I'm gonna say right in that little corner. Looks pretty good. I gotta land this fish. Ooh, nice. That one. Glistening in the sun. Alright, let's get this one back. Right here. Should be a fish maybe right in there. Right there. Let the fly. Yep, good one. That's a good one. Yep. Saying there should have been one right in there. Get up out of the current. Another nice rainbow. Wet my hand. Gorgeous fish. Go. There, I'm going to drift it there and then drift it this way. I can see one living in between those rocks. Or back in that little eddy there. Oh, he hit it. That's not good. Really need that bait. There, I'm actually gonna let see if I can get the current to pull that off. So I'm gonna let the current go back. I'm gonna wrap my line around a rock and try to pop the bait back that way. I'm gonna try to get the braid. Around one of these rocks. That way, it'll pull the line that way. Like this big one right here. Just need the braid to go around that a little bit deeper. Okay, so you see the line now is going that way. And if I just get my line around that big rock and then pull it here. Didn't work. Hang on. My line got to drift downstream like that. Then I got to keep it down, and it should. Got it. Yep. Now if I don't get snagged up there, got it back. So I had my bait right there, drifted the line out, line wrapped around the rock, put my rod tip down, pulled this direction, which made that pull that way, and I got my bait back. I got my little woolly bugger back. There. Yeah. 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 Net. Woo. Nice rainbow. I don't know if that was the one that was hitting me. All right. Whoa. Falling all over. Oh yeah. Another nice one. Look at that. Corner of the mouth. This one. Look at green. There's pack out bar. Okay, sun's out, got warm. Put my t-shirt on. Caught about, I think I caught four trout fish for an hour here. The time I was able to hike up, go down there, fish for about 1 hour, caught 4. Really nice rainbows. So now I'm gonna go to a spot I fished a couple years ago for brown trout, and I'll have about 1 hour to fish there. All right, let's get going.